and welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of all sorts of monthly boxes, a little bit of product and makeup review, a little bit of travel and adventure here and there, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If Make sure that you also hit the notification bell. That way every time I upload a video, you will be notified and you won't miss a thing. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, woohoo, welcome back my beautifuls. Thank you so much for the love, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate you guys. And today I am back with the box by Fashionista, and this one is for November. So if you're not familiar with this box is $24.99 monthly, and you do receive between 5 to 6 full-size products. Yes, and you receive skin, and you receive hair, you receive makeup. This box, guys, is absolutely the best. This is one of my favorite boxes here because I just don't receive makeup. I receive a variety of different stuff, like I said, hair care, skincare, makeup, and for $24.99 a month, I absolutely love this box, and I also recommend this box a lot. So with that said, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So when I open my box, that's what it looks like inside. So give thanks, the box. So this is also my information card. Every single item, every product that's inside my box is going to be listed here with prices. Yes, with prices. So I'll put that down for now. I don't want it to go flying away. Let me leave it here. So once I take that out, this is what the box looks like. So it's always nicely packaged. I don't think I've ever received anything damaged, broken, or anything with this box at all. So with that said, guys, let's go ahead, let's get started. So my first items that I picked from here are going to be 3 brushes. So I have 3 brushes here. So here we go. Now we'll take them out the plastic for you guys to see. So these are LaRousse. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This is from LaRousse Beauty. It's an angle shading. Okay, so they have 3 different ones. All right, so let's see. So this is the angle. Let me see. This is the one. So they have the angle brush. All right, so this one is going to be your angle brush, and this one retails for $32. So this one you use this one to apply your favorite cream, powder, highlighter to revive your routine all year long, and it's vegan, cruelty free, and it retails for $32, guys. So this is your angle brush, and that's what it looks like. Oh, love the grip that it has. Love. Really nice and soft. Love the color as well. I don't think I have any brushes, any gray brushes like that. So this one you can use to contour as well, to highlight, all that good stuff. So this brush feels so nice, guys. So that was my first one. So I still have 2 more here. So I'll do this one now. So this is the angle shading brush. So this is for your eyes. So that's what it looks like. Really nice and soft as well. So this one you will use for, this is an angle brush, so you will use to blend, to smudge out smokes, powder, or cream eyeshadows, and it's vegan and cruelty free, and this one retails for $28, guys. And my last brush is going to be this one right here. That's what it looks like, and it's really nice and soft. So this is your taper blending brush. So this one you will I'll probably use this one to contour my nose here. I'll use it just to apply like that first layer, the top layer, like above your eyelid. I will use it for, it says here, best used for eye contour products, eyeshadows, I will use this for so many like to put the setting powder under my eyes. I have a lot of uses for this one here. And that one, guys, retails for $28 too. So with that said, let's continue. So my last, I just started. My next item is from Three Graces Beauty, and it's a lip savior. Love Yourself. I'm thinking direction. So this is going to be smooth onto the lip area, day or night. I love the color. So this is like a lip gloss. So it's a hydrating lip gloss treatment. Retails for $18. So it's the ultimate lip rejuvenator, blurs fine lip lines and restores the lips' delicate barrier for soft, plump lips all day. Made in the USA, cruelty free. My next item, which this box was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This box has 8 items this month, guys. So excited. 8 items this month. So this one is from Dr. Botanicals, and this is a watermelon superfood 2-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover. So this one retails for $10. This looks like a deluxe sample size. So this is a refreshing facial cleanser with powerful hydrating capacity, omega acids that remove any excess sebum under skin. It's vegan and cruelty free as well, and it's watermelon. Can't wait to try that. So next is going to be Simple Even. So it's a tone perfecting butter. It has vitamin A, vitamin E, metal foam seed oil, and it's from Susan and Me. This one retails for $24. So it's a gentle and soothing blend of shea, cocoa, and mango butters to be used on both the face, body for healthy, radiant skin. And let's take this baby out so you guys can see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. I can smell it because it has a seal on top. There we go. It's a pretty nice size. It's 2.3 ounces, guys. So it's a pretty decent size. So my next item is going to be this right here. So this is from Dominic Paul Cosmetics, and it's a contour palette. It retails for $40. Can be used as eyeshadows, bronzers, setting powders to sculpt and shade your eyes, cheekbones, nose, and jawline. Cruelty free, vegan. I was really excited for this palette, guys. Ooh, I love it. I love the colors. So it has May, Buddha, Duan, Tusk, Chai, and Samui. So that's, look how beautiful. And it's like so perfect with my skin tone. Like sometimes I'll receive like contour palettes and stuff, and they're like so dark for me, which I still use. I just mixed it with something lighter. But to actually receive something that I don't have to like mix so much is like so nice. And it has, the palette has a mirror as well, guys. Look how beautiful that is. I love it. And my last item for this box, guys, is going to be Moods from Laura Sanchez. I already have this palette. I received it, I think it was in an Ipsy box one time. Can't remember. But it is a beautiful palette. So I will go ahead and I will put this in my giveaway basket because I already have one, which I will be doing a huge giveaway soon. I reach my 10K followers on Instagram. Woohoo! If you follow me on Instagram, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So I will be putting this on that giveaway basket that I have, and that's going to be coming soon, very soon, guys. And this one, it retails for $25. So it's a versatile palette with matte and metallic shades, perfect to create endless combinations. Made in the USA, cruelty free. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.